Here I've got REALME C11 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So first of all you have to open the settings right here, then find and select additional settings and go to backup and reset. And here you will notice erase all data. Now pick reset system settings only. Draw your unlock pattern, confirm that you would like to reset those settings. Click on it one more time. And that's it. As you can see, settings have been reset. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.